Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the Google Meet app and tap your profile picture in the top right. If you have 2 accounts, choose the account you want to edit. Tap Manage your Google account from the menu to open account settings. You will see tabs across the top of the account page. Swipe to or tap Personal Info to edit visible profile details. Changing your name here updates it across Meet and other Google services immediately. Tap Personal Info, the name to open the name edit screen. The screen shows first name and last name fields with your current entries. Tap the field you want to change and use your keyboard to type the new name. Keep names within Google's character limits and avoid special formatting that might be blocked. When you finish, tap Save at the top right to apply the change. The update should propagate to Meet immediately and appear when you join meetings. If you use a work profile, your administrator may restrict name changes on your account. In that case, contact your admin or use a personal Google account for a different display name. To use another name quickly, add or switch to a different Google account in the Google Meet app. Some Meet clients allow temporary display names for a meeting. Check meeting settings when you join. Always double-check your profile picture and name before joining important meetings to confirm your identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.